Apple cider vinegar, ACV, has been touted as a weight loss remedy by some people. While there is some limited research on the potential benefits of ACV for weight loss, there is no clear evidence to support that it can effectively and sustainably help people lose weight. Some studies have suggested that ACV may help to suppress appetite, increase feelings of fullness, and slow down the rate at which food leaves the stomach. However, the results of these studies have been mixed, and more research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits and risks of ACV for weight loss. Furthermore, ACV can be harmful if consumed in excessive amounts, and it can potentially cause damage to the teeth and throat. Therefore, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before using ACV for weight loss or any other purposes. In summary, while some people believe that ACV can aid in weight loss, there is limited evidence to support this claim. It is important to approach any weight loss regimen with caution and to seek guidance from a healthcare professional. Its recipe. To make apple cider vinegar at home, you'll need apples, preferably organic, water, sugar. Here's a basic recipe. 1. Wash and chop the apples into small pieces, including the skin and core. 2. Place the apple pieces in a glass jar and cover them with water, leaving about an inch of space at the top. 3. Add a tablespoon of sugar per cup of water to the jar, and stir to dissolve the sugar. 4. Cover the jar with a clean cloth or paper towel and secure it with a rubber band. 5. Store the jar in a warm, dark place for 1 to 2 weeks, stirring the contents daily. 6. After 1 to 2 weeks, strain the liquid into another clean jar using a cheesecloth or coffee filter. 7. Cover the jar with a clean cloth or paper towel and let it sit in a warm, dark place for another 3 to 4 weeks, stirring occasionally. 8. Taste the vinegar to see if it's ready. 8. It should have a tangy, acidic taste. 8. If it's not ready yet, continue to let it ferment for another week or 2. 9. Once the vinegar is ready, transfer it to a clean glass bottle or jar and store it in a cool, dark place.